Hi, my name is Mike, and I'm going to show you how to create conversational forms in WordPress. Conversational forms are a great way to make forms and surveys feel more personal. Instead of dropping the whole form at once, a conversational form asks one question at a time, like you're just asking your site's visitors a few questions rather than handing them paperwork. It also doesn't hurt that users are more likely to fill out a conversational form than a standard one. And WordPress's most flexible form builder, Formidable Forms, just released an update with conversational forms. So let's get started. First, you'll need a form. I'll just take the user registration template to show you how it works, but you can use whatever you want. Now, I just need to change the field labels to be more like a conversation. For example, name becomes, "What is your name?" I'll do that for all the questions, and I'll get rid of a profile picture, but you could keep it if you like. Just remember to change all the field labels into questions or requests. Then you'll go to the settings and choose Conversational Forms. There are a few settings here, like button navigation, progress bar, and text for the buttons themselves. I'll add a progress bar. And let's check it out. It works very well. And you can see it's much more personable than a standard form. Each new question slides in one at a time. Let's put it on an actual page. We'll just go to our old user registration page and add this new form using a Formidable block. Looks just like it did in the preview. Now this is a form embed, and it works great. But before we go, I wanted to show you one more thing. It's fairly common for people using conversational forms to want the form to be full page. If you go back to the settings of your form, you can make your conversational form a landing page, which means your form is no longer just embedded into the page. So I'll generate the page, and let's check it out. And there it is, a clean page with nothing but our conversational form. And that's how you create beautiful conversational forms in WordPress. Let me know if there's something else you'd like me to cover. Subscribe for more WordPress tips, and I'll see you next time.